Globalization, knowledge, and competition have intensified the need for highly skilled workforce all over the world. All major economies need skilled workforce so as to meet global standards of quality and boost their industrial and economic development. Understanding the needs, Orion Educational Society, a front runner in skilling, has been continuously working to ensure empowerment and sustainable livelihood through holistic skilling, guidance, and counseling of vulnerable youth of India, and helps in bringing the gap between demand and supply of skilled manpower. This is attained by providing internationally set standards of training and industry partnership. Skills take center stage in the new Global Sustainable Development Agenda adopted by United Nations. Orion also pursues its sustainable development goals and commits improved lives in a sustainable way and helps in transformation of marginalized communities in order to create meaningful impact.
कोणीतरी त्याला सांगावं लागतं, समजवावं लागतं आणि ती माहिती करून देण्याचं काम हे करियर गायडन्स सेंटरच्या माध्यमातून केलं जातं. तर मला आनंद आहे. ओरायन एड्युटेक मी यांचं अभिनंदन करतो आणि अशा प्रकारचे स्किल सेंटर हे प्रत्येक जिल्ह्यामध्ये त्या ठिकाणी झाले पाहिजेत.
Orion also helps in formulating corporate identity and formulate meaningful CSR projects in partnership with corporate and PSUs to enhance employability and provide placement opportunities to the youth from underprivileged and economically weaker section of the society.
We have initiated a partnership with Orion EduTech. Within these villages that we are working, what we are doing is that we've created centers. We are identifying youth from these villages and providing them with counseling as well as skilling.
Orion has trained more than 4.5 lakh youth and provided employment and self-employment to more than 3.6 lakh candidates till date.
ओरायन एजुकेट में मैंने रिटेल में एडमिशन की. मैंने मेरी ट्रेनिंग में ये सीखा कि तरह तरह के बेवरेजेस कैसे बनाते हैं, फूड कैसे बनाते हैं, टेबल कैसे लीक करते हैं, और उसके बाद अलग अलग फोल्डिंग्स भी सीखी, नैपकिन फोल्डिंग्स.
इस ट्रेनिंग की सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि थ्योरी के साथ साथ बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिकल कराया जाता है.
An ISO certified company, Orion has spread its wings in India and Africa. It has more than 200 training centers and 50 Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendras providing skill training in 95 different trades in 19 sectors. Orion Educational Society has state-of-art infrastructure and equipped with the necessary equipment to provide best-in-class training which focuses on individual capacity building. Contributing towards the mission of Skill India, the brainchild of Sanjeev Kothari and Manish Agarwal, Orion is a leading NSDC partner. Orion has tie-up with more than 3,500 corporates and MNCs wherein the students are placed post-training. It also facilitates the candidates with Mudra loans for starting their own ventures.
आज मैं बिग बाजार में जॉब करती हूँ.
मैं भी CCD में जॉब कर रही हूँ.
आज मैं पन्नीनों में काम कर रहा हूँ, स्टीवर्ड.
मैंने अपने सैलरी से एक सेकंड हैंड स्कूटी खरीदे और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ.
मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मैं घर के खर्चों में अपने माँ पापा की हेल्प कर पाई हूँ.
The concrete efforts of Orion Educational Society has been appreciated by many public and private organizations and has been conferred with many prestigious awards. But the real testimony is its impactful work that reflects in many happy faces.